I'm going to be showing you a assignment that we did here in our network class for Unity. The idea was to create just a tank game, a simple tank game, which two players can connect and join and play against each other. So this was all done in one day, but I wanted to show the progress that I've gotten on it so far. So we'll go ahead in here, and as you can see, I have the network lobby that you can acquire from the asset store for free, just to make things easier. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to use this client as a dedicated server. I believe this will work. So now I have the server running here. Client 1 will join, and client 2 will join. Go ahead, playing. One. You can change the name. You can change the color. That all comes with it. We'll go ready, and we hop into the work that I actually did. Is we have two screens here now. In the bottom left, we have a health and armor bar, which is basically your survivability. You can see here in both of these, the tanks can move around. You can see if you watch the right screen, you'll see the tank moving over in the left. I did not update the network send rate, but you can see it works. It's not too far off, just a little, not very smooth. And then here in the middle, I have these upgrades, or these power-ups that you can take that do different things. They can repair your tank. They can give you faster. They can make you move faster. They can make you deal damage faster. And just to show, and go ahead and shoot. And on the left screen, you can see that they're taking damage. Once you lose your armor, you get kind of that little smoke effect to it, kind of like added effect to it. Then we'll go ahead and repair here. I restored that power up was a full restore, which lets me recover all my health and my armor, which is designed to be the most powerful buff here. On the right screen, we got a little rabbit here. That's going to signify speed. So we'll go ahead and show you just speed before and after. You can see on the right side, on the bottom right here, we also have a little timer here to tell you how long that buff's going to last. This one here I just picked up here is a attack power. So you can see I'm shooting really fast. When this buff ends, now my shooting speed has been cut in half. I believe it's half. And then this last buff is a armor buff, so I'll just go ahead and give myself that armor. And yeah, so I can go around here. Two players can be weaving around. This speed buff actually gives you quite a bit of speed, so you can be running around the entire arena and just kind of playing around with the other player. Of course, I can damage myself if I'm going too fast. Interesting. We'll go ahead and try and hit you here. Strange. Interesting. Well, okay, that's something I'm gonna have to fix. But when one of the players runs low health, they get the option to respawn, which I have not implemented yet. And they lose the control of their movement, and they're stuck here to see what they're gonna do. My next plan is to implement a stock system or a life system where you get 3 lives. Once you run out of those 3 life, as long as you have lives, you can respawn at a random point on the map. But as soon as you run out of those lives, you essentially lose. The other player wins the game. And you'll go back to the lobby, and you can restart everything from there. Yeah, that's what I have so far. One day's work. We'll out from here and seeing where we go with it. For a simple game, it actually kind of looks really fun. I think I could see myself playing this with a couple friends. Yeah, that's it for this video.